Health Break is brought to you by Tower Health, advancing health, transforming lives.
Pregnancy, weight gain, weight loss, or simply age can greatly change our stomach areas over the years, and our skin often loses its elasticity. Dr. Thomas Dooley explains how a tummy tuck can help.
We'll remove the extra skin, the fatty tissue that's with it. The muscle and the fascia, the abdominal wall, is not removed. It's just tightened and brought together.
Recovery from a tummy tuck usually takes 6 to 8 weeks.
It's important for people who are looking to get in shape or get a better appearance for the summer. They need to be planning a couple months or so ahead. People are happy. They're happy with the better body build look that they have.
For more free information on tummy tucks, call 484-628-HELP or visit our website at towerhealth.org. For Health Break, I'm Beverly Herbert.
Health Break was brought to you by Tower Health, advancing health, transforming lives.